Yay, feeding time at the zoo. Yay. Say hi.
Why are you videotaping me?
Come on. Somebody asked me to make a video of my toolbox. They were asking about the tools that I use. And that's my toolbox. Snap-on Intimidator 2. They were in limited edition. And because I am a Dale Earnhardt fan, I jumped on the chance to get one. My laptop. All my sockets are in this one. Lots of them. Lots and lots. And all my wrenches. Lots of tools. All my pliers. That drawer's a mess, sorry about that. There's all my air tools. Except my air hammer, or my air gun. I have a Thunder, an Ingersoll Rand Thunder gun. Mostly hammers and other things that wouldn't fit in other drawers. Slide hammer, pullers, threading tools, ball joint press. Miscellaneous kind of tools, specialty tools, fuel pressure gauge. Then we have the junk drawer. Anybody who's been working on cars for a while has one of them. I got a big junk drawer. Punches, all my oil filter wrenches, some tie rod tools, different things. Files, pry bars. Tubing, clearing tools, camshaft holding, or cam pulley tools to hold them while you're doing timing belts. Miscellaneous tools. Screwdrivers, nut drivers. Ratchets, extensions. So all my brake tools are. This is my electric drawer and duct tape. No mechanic is a mechanic without duct tape. Basically my air conditioning drawer. And just some more miscellaneous tools. Cylinder hones. Heat gun. More things on the back wall there. My mice. Number 3, baby. There's more stuff in there. Different things. You gotta open this drawer slowly because it sometimes things fall out. Okay. That is the manual for, or the book for inspections, doing state inspections and emissions inspections. Big book. Car parts. Lots of car parts. That's my welder. An old Mac MW250. I have it here because I don't have a 220 plug at my house. I only have two small 110 welders at my house. That's my big one I use. I have the race car up here, the Mustang, and work to weld all the heavy metal together.